Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you made money today, let me know in the comments. We're going to talk about why you made money, and we're also going to talk about why you may just make some more money later on in the week. But remember to invest the smart way, or else you can also lose your money. We're going to talk about Tesla and some of the major stocks that are making big moves. As you all can see, the stock heat map looks quite bloody today. Google held up strong. Today, we're going to dive into the latest news from the modest stock market declines to Bitcoin recent movements. There are lots of things to cover. Now, for the most part, let's talk about the major indices because those are the things that pretty much tell us how some of these major stocks are doing. As you all can see, a lot of the major indices are in the red right now. As I scroll through TradingView, all you see is red now. The only one that's pretty much green is this one right here, the American Composite. They're up 0.45%. Everyone else looks pretty red. I'm going to talk about the major ones, the S&P 500. They're down 6,034.90 minus 0.30%. NASDAQ 100, they close off at 21,368. They're down 0.34%. And look at the Dow. They're also down 44K, 247. Oh my. Since when did you guys ever think that we would see a negative day for the major indices with these prices? The S&P at 6,000, NASDAQ 100, 21,000, and the Dow at 44K. Surprising. I thought that these prices would have come in 2025, but they're here now in around mid December. By the way, it is currently December 10th. It's 11:26 p.m. All right. These small declines come as investors prepare for the release of crucial inflation data tomorrow, which could significantly impact market sentiment. Stay tuned because we'll discuss why that's so important in a moment. Now, let's talk about the key drivers for the market. Just like I mentioned, the CPI news coming out tomorrow. We'll be getting that, and that's going to dictate the market sentiment. And also, this report is likely to influence the Federal Reserve's upcoming interest rate decision. So be aware that's something that has been on the calendar, the interest rate decision. Now, let's talk about the stocks, guys. You guys saw Tesla on the title, and that's what I'm going to talk about, guys. Look at where Tesla's sitting at right now. They're down. They closed a little bit down today. Actually, they closed up 2.2 something percent. But look at this level right here. They're around four. They reached around about 409 today, guys. And then if I open up the chart even more, look at their all-time high. Their all-time high is around 414. Look at how close they are. This is where we're at this week. And look at their all-time high. Their all-time high happened on November the 1st, 2021. It's currently Tuesday. Actually, yeah, it's Tuesday, December the 10th, and it's 11:27. And they're about to break through. If they break through, I believe they're going to shoot up to 500. Tesla can easily be a $500 stock, especially because the way Elon Musk has been contributing towards the Trump campaign. I'm telling you, around inauguration day, I would be surprised if Tesla is not above their previous all-time high. It's going to happen. It may even happen tomorrow morning. By the time we all wake up, if you look at your stock heat maps, your stock apps, Tesla may just be above 414. You just never know. That's just how the stock market is. Volatility is there, which is good and it's also bad. So protect your profits, guys. Be a smart investor. Now, I'm also going to talk about some major declines. Oracle. Oracle dropped on Monday from 191 down to 171. They try to come back up and look, they got shot right back down. Now look, they try to get back up, and after pre-market around 8:05 this morning, got shot right down at market open. Try to come back up, and now look, they're pretty much consolidating. They're waiting on the CPI news. We're going to see what happens, but their shares dropped 6.7% after reporting a slower than expected growth despite strong demand for AI cloud infrastructure. Another stock that had a big decline, a big market mover. Matter of fact, this is the largest company in the world. We all know this one, Nvidia. Nvidia. That's probably why you clicked on this video, because I'm gonna talk about Nvidia also. So look, the market opened up, Nvidia shot up from 138 to 141, and now look, they pretty much fell on a slope. It's like they were sliding down a hill on a snowboard. I mean, snowboard. And look, now they're consolidating right here in the after hours, guys. So Nvidia's stock fell 2.7%, and this happened because sales declined from its supplier TSMC, guys. Here are some geopolitical risks. Crazy, right? Anyways, analysts warn the markets might be underestimating geopolitical risk, which could add volatility in the near future. Here are some of the things that you guys have to be aware of. Geopolitical, like any type of news can affect the stock market. So be aware of that. And geopolitical is one of those niches of news that people kind of underestimate. They feel like it really does not really affect stocks as much, but it does. Now that I've talked a lot about stocks, I'm going to dive a little bit into crypto, and then I'm going to hover back over to stocks a little bit. As you all can see, look at Bitcoin, they're up. Ethereum, up. Binance Coin, they're up. On the other side, XRP, they're in the negative. Guys, look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has been making headlines as it approaches the 100,000, as it tries to reapproach that 100,000 milestone again, sitting around 97,000 as I'm speaking. This marks a significant year-to-date gain fueled by institutional adoption and anticipation for the Bitcoin halving event in 2025. So be aware that in 2025 there will be a Bitcoin halving event. On the other side, Ethereum, look at them. They're at 3,665.02. They also saw gains climbing 3% today as a more decentralized application and staking options continue to attract users. Ethereum is going to continue to go up. Now, here are some crypto updates. So the market is keeping an eye on regulatory developments, with reports suggesting that the US may announce clear guidelines for stable coins in 2025. So that's also causing Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies like XRP is down right now, but Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance to go up. That's the reason why, guys. A lot of clear guidelines set for 2025 in the crypto side of the market. It's an exciting time to be in the crypto space, but remember, volatility is always a part of the game here, guys. And let's go back into stocks. Look at the stock heat map. Everything looks quite bloody. Tech, as I mentioned earlier, the tech sector faced a lot of blood. Google held strong, and a lot of it was due to disappointing earnings. On the other side, finances. So finances is quite neutral. They are red. They've been red for the past 2-3 weeks now. But look, J.P. Morgan is holding up. Some of the major finance stocks are holding up, so they're not that low in the blood. You know what I mean? So this market sentiment is boosted by expectations of favorable policies for the future. And on the other side, energy. So energy is right over here. Well, the energy side of the market is right here. It's all the way to the right. Energy on the other side, oil prices remain steady, helping stabilize energy stocks. So they stayed steady. You see red. For the most part, the majority of the market is red, but yeah, energy stayed quite stable. Some investors are shifting focus to crypto as an alternative growth for opportunity, adding an interesting dynamic to the overall market. So, crypto has caused people to really switch over, and instead of just investing in stocks, they're now investing in cryptocurrency. So that's shifting the market. That's why some of these companies are in a red, like Palantir. A lot of people took their profits from Palantir as the stock shot up to $80 this Monday. They're down at like 72, 71 right now as I'm speaking. I'll go back to the stock heat map. I didn't mean to click on that. So I believe this is Palantir. I think that's the logo. Look, they're at 70.89. Right here, as you all can see, their stock shot up, guys. And now they're trailing back in the 70s. Their stock made some major moves. See? Well, actually, that's Tuesday. They actually got up to 75 today. I didn't even know that. But on Monday, look at this. Y'all see this? I cannot even fit this on the screen. They were at $82. And I said 80. They were at $82, guys. 82 in the pre-market. This was still like in at market open, they were still high. They were still high, but to be up that high is insane. Now, despite today's declines in the stock market, the S&P 500 is up about 27% year to date. So be aware, although the S&P 500 is down as I'm speaking, they're up 27% year to date, reflecting a strong investor optimism mindset. However, the high valuations could make the market more vulnerable to surprises, something to keep in mind as we approach the new year. In crypto, the sentiment is mixed with optimism around Bitcoin's rally tempered by caution and regulatory uncertainty. But be aware, crypto is something that you don't want to miss out on, guys. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. All right, now let's talk about looking ahead. So tomorrow's CPI report could shake up both stocks and crypto markets. A high inflation ready reading may push investors towards alternative assets like Bitcoin. And the Federal Reserve's next meeting is another key event to watch for both traditional and crypto markets. My advice is to stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and always weigh the risks before making big moves. That's it, everyone. That's today's market update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates. Let me know in the comments, are you bullish on Bitcoin hitting 100K, or are you staying cautious? And what's your take on tomorrow's CPI report? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I promise you will love my other videos. So be sure to subscribe. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Take care, everyone.